Loosen the screws on the back a little, adjust to the appropriate angle, and then tighten the screws. The screws on the side also need to be tightened a little. Then put it back on the front of the car and tighten the screws. Adjust the front of the bicycle to be perpendicular to the body, and then tighten the screws at the bottom. The angle of the handle will also change after adjustment, so you need to loosen the two screws. On the back of the display, adjust the handle to the appropriate angle and finally tighten the screws.